to the 25th. The finals will be on the 25th of April. It's very exciting to host 6 teams in the men and 6 teams in the ladies qualifier, and the top 3 teams will qualify for the Junior World Cup that will be held for the women in Chile and for the men in India. For Namibia, our biggest difficulties is funding. Funding is very important. Like for us, hosting this tournament is costing a lot of money that we don't necessarily have. But also, we've last hosting the same qualifying tournament in 2016. And that was also the last time that our teams really participated in such a under 21 qualifying event. Funding is so important because it helps us to not only making like the hosting of such an event, bring it to Namibia, but it's also important that we help with make it affordable for our players to go and attend international events. We also need funding to make development, grassroots development, to reach out to the rest of the country. We do have the School of Excellence with support of Standard